Hey there, fellow cookie lovers. Today, we're diving into a recipe that takes a classic comfort and gives it a delightful, chewy twist. Get ready to fall in love with oatmeal snickerdoodles. They're simply irresistible. Imagine the warm, cinnamon sugar hug of a snickerdoodle, now with the added texture and wholesome goodness of oats. These cookies are soft, chewy, and packed with flavor. They're perfect for sharing, baking with family, or just treating yourself to something special. Making these is easier than you think. We start with a creamy butter and sugar base, then fold in those lovely oats and flour. The secret to that signature snickerdoodle tang? A touch of cream of tartar, of course. Once your dough is ready, roll it into perfect little balls and give them a generous coating in cinnamon sugar. This step is so satisfying and makes all the difference. Then, it's off to the oven for a quick bake until they're perfectly golden and fragrant. Don't be shy about getting your hands a little messy with that cinnamon sugar. It's part of the fun. Remember, baking is all about enjoying the process and creating something delicious. Even if you're new to baking, you've absolutely got this. These oatmeal snickerdoodles are more than just a treat. They're a moment of pure joy. So grab your ingredients, preheat your oven, and let's make some magic happen. You'll be so glad you did.